Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Sprinklr social listening for beginners. So, first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Sprinklr. That's right, and then you have this first result right here. So all you have to do is to tap on this one. That's right, and then after that, you'll be able to see here now this section. Okay, so right here we have the products, the solutions, the AI, the customers, the company, and the resources. So here, as you can see at the top, we can find an option where we can sign up for an account. Okay, we only have the login and the demo. So in order for you to, get access to the sign up for this, the sign up field for this tool, is we have the request for a demo. So tap on this one. That's right. And then we can schedule a personalized demo right here. So the team from Sprinklr will get in touch with you shortly. So make sure that you use your work email, your first name, last name, company name, the phone number, your job function, the job level, and then your country. And then make sure to, tap on this box right here and then tap on the request a demo. So, as of the moment, since we cannot really request for a demo, what I am going to discuss here is the different features and the things that you have to consider if you are planning to use this one. So, let's start with the products. As you can see, we have here the service, social, insights, and marketing. So, we are going to focus on the social and the insights. Okay, so let's start with the Sprinklr social right here. So we have the social publishing and engagement, the social marketing for distributed teams, and the employee advocacy. So let's go with the social publishing and engagement. Okay, so right here, you can increase the engagement social by up to 7 times in just months, and no matter the channel. So this is how it looks like right here. So you just have to select your account. Okay, make sure that your account is connected. For example, you have your Facebook account or your Instagram or other social media, and then you just have to type out right here your message. Okay, and then you just have to select the privacy, of course, that should be public, and then your message, and then you just have to add here now your image or your social media. And then of course you can also generate product description using this AI tool right here. And then just have to tap on this one if you want to publish another. And then here, this is the preview of your post. And once you are good to go, then you just have to tap on the post option. Okay, so here the Sprinklr Social Publishing and Engagement is the platform of choice for managing the social at scale. So if you are really into social media, then you can use this tool. The organizations with complex social needs across brands, geographies, and business units trust Sprinklr for its governance, advanced automations, and highly customizable workflow. So engage at scale with broad channel coverage, experience and match productivity with best-in-class AI, protect your brand always, and solve for specific needs with custom solutions. Okay, so now let's proceed to the next one. All right, so let's proceed to our social marketing for distributed teams. That's right. So here, you can improve the lead conversions up to 50% with distributed marketing. So empower geographically distributed teams to drive awareness, scale localized engagement, and convert more leads across digital channels. So this is your campaign section right here. So for example, you would like to search for campaigns, and then you have to upgrade your subscription if some campaign requires you to do so. So you have to tap on the update subscription option. Okay. So the Sprinklr distributed marketing platform, it helps streamline the social media management across the global business units. So no matter where teams are. So the franchise digital management and the compliant digital selling. Okay, so here as you can see, you can empower distributed teams to effortlessly engage in social and then foster a better collaboration between central and local teams. You have that right there, and you can also help distributed teams improve the performance with the local insights. Okay, so ensure that all social engagement is 100% brand and legal compliant. Now let's proceed to the next one, which is the social insights. So here we have the social listening. Okay, so you can understand the structured data from online and the traditional channels using this one. So you can uncover the insights, share reports, or take actions all within a single platform. All right, so here you have the search part at the top. So you just have to tap on it and then you just have to search. Or you can also, use keywords or the filter name right here. You have the budget group and the status. And then here on the search section, in the results section, you have the product insights overview, the audience deep dive, the media deep dive, and the devices audience and the content. And after that, as you can see, you'd be able to see here now this chart. So this is the share of voice. So you'd be able to see here the positive mentions, the neutral mentions, and the negative mentions. So you'd be able to see here as well the mention summary. Okay, so this one is very helpful for your accounts and your business. And now let's proceed to the competitive insights and benchmarking. Okay, so for the benchmark your social media performance against the competition and monitor the influencers across 8 social channels. Okay, so you have that right here. So you have the product insights overview, the influencers deep dive, the competitors deep dive. So for the summary of the top metrics, so you have that right here. So this is the brand section and then dimensions. And then you have the unique users and the experience score, the star rating, the positive insights, and the negative insights. Okay, so you can easily understand the difference based on this different charts right here. So you have numbers as well, percentage, so that you'd be able to understand if what are you going to do next to effectively showcase your brands on social media. All right, so now for our last one, let's proceed to our product insights. Okay, so here you can capture the voice of your customer across the product life cycle. So you can understand and manage the customer feedback about your products in real time. So you have that right here. So this is a section where you have to see it. So Insight Record Manager. So you have that right here. So all of your insights. So you can also search using keywords, product, and location. Okay, and then you can also see here the created by you, the team insights, the under investigation, the closed issues, and the resolved issues. Okay, so now if you want to learn more about this website and if you are eligible to request for a demo, then you just have to visit the Sprinklr website. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.